until 1 p.m. At 12:21 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 8 miles southeast of Holden Beach, moving northwest at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated location. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Holden Beach around 12:25 p.m. Chode and Ocean Isle Beach around 12:35 p.m. Sunset Beach, Town, Seaside, and Rustown around 12:40 p.m. Iredell, Carolina Shores, Calabash, and Longwood around 12:45 p.m. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Here are the new observations.